Welcome to the video on separation of phases using separating funnel. Separating funnel, also known as a liquid-liquid extraction, is a piece of laboratory glassware used to separate the components of a mixture into two immiscible solvent phases of different density. A separating funnel has a stopper at the top and a funnel cap at the bottom. Before transferring any liquid into the funnel, always ensure that the tap is crossed. When the cap is vertical, it means that the cap is open, and when the cap is horizontal, it means that the tap is crossed. Now, let's take a little bit of time to take a look of all the material and apparatus that we use in this experiment to demonstrate the separation phases. First of all, we have the carbon tetrachloride, which is an organic solvent. Secondly, we have prepared the aqueous solution of iodine, distilled water, and also two beakers for collecting the aqueous and organic layer at the end of this experiment. Before transferring any liquids into the funnel, always remember to make sure that the tap is crossed. When the cap is horizontal, it means that the cap is crossed. After that, the stopper on the top of the funnel are going to open so that we can pour the aqueous solution of iodine into the funnel. After that, we only pour secondly the carbon tetrachloride into the funnel. When both of these solutions has been added, layers will begin to form. One layer will be the aqueous phase and the other layer is the organic phase. The important key to the separation of layers in a separation funnel is the density. The bottom layers is always the more dense solution, but this is not always the aqueous phase. In this experiment, the orange aqueous phase forms the top layer, and the bottom layer is the purple phase. This is because the organic solvent used in this experiment was known as a carbon tetrachloride. This solvent is usually more dense than water. Next, in order to allow the efficient separation to occur, we must ensure that the organic and aqueous layers are fairly mixed. We do this by first remove the funnel from the clamp and then inverting the funnel and shaken gently upside down. The stopper at the top of the funnel are going to open intermediately to release excess vapor pressure that accumulates during mixing. This funnel is then crossed and shaken gently multiple times by repeating the same step as before, and then attach the separating funnel back in the clamp and watch the layers begin to separate. Now, it is a time to extract the layers. Open the stopcock and drain the first layer into a green beaker. Make sure you start to cross the tap when the bottom layer drain up very slowly until drop by drop, and then completely cross the tap when you no longer see the separation between the two layers. And then put the beaker to one side and collecting the remaining layer into a new clean beaker.